like, and
Good
subscribe.
morning. My name is Agna Priscilla, and today we are going to create a simple salon flyer. So, if you want to create a flyer, a salon flyer for your client or anybody that wants a salon flyer, please just follow step by step, and you'll be able to learn how to create this kind of flyers for your clients for money or for anything that you want. So first of all, we are going to go straight to Photoshop. So I'll open my Photoshop and you go to file, go to new. Then when you go to new, you select the size that you want. So I'm going to choose this one. Yes. So let me show you the flyer that we are going to design. I just finished designing this flyer just right now, and I think of also letting you to see the flyer that I've designed. Yes, so this flyer then is the same flyer, but I just change the uh, sorry, oh, it's the same flyer, but it's just the colors that I change. Yes, so in this flyer. hmm So this, so we are going to create this flyer. This is the second one. Then it's just the same flyer, but I'm changing the color. See that it is very nice. So you can go for the black one, you can go for the blue one, or you can go for this wine one. This is very nice. So let us start. So you create your you go to new, go to this, it will open to this type of sizes that you want to. I just take this one. Yes, then the next thing is that we are going to um bring our flyer. So you're just going to go to this, then here. So let's you go to this place in solid color, then you just come here and select the black color, the color that you think you want. Yes, then let me just leave it like this. Okay, then you come. So this flyer you see, I just if you are going to design this kind of flyers, the one thing I'm supposed to do is that you have to do the writings first. If there's writing that you think you want to do, please do the writings first, and now go to how to change the backgrounds. When you are done with the writings, it is fine. So you see that how I've structured it is all my writings are to my left side. You see, so all my writings are here to my left side. Yes, so that is it. So and you are supposed to choose this one is just like girls something, so your font should be something that of a design stylish size and type, so that the flyer will look very catchy and stylish. So we are going to just start our writing. So yes, so I'll add a layer to it, and I'll go and take um my writing text, then you can write yes Connie. So this one, yes, I chose this font, Bohemia. You can go and look for it. So this one, then you start your Connie. But it is, I have to change it to white. Then yes, this is it. hmm So like this, yes, Connie's flyer. Yes, Connie's. Sorry, Connie's. Then Oh, just like that. This one is 48 for me, and then this one is only. So just only this one is same, then all of them is small. Yeah, so mm, CONNIS. Yes, Kunis hair. So you put it, then write the hair HAIR. Yes. Okay, so mm, that is it. So you just bring your here the lighting, strike it like this, and then you bring these writings like this, put it here. Yes, you, if it is there, we just lock it like this, and you bring this one here. Make sure that your ruler is like this so that you able to know how to center them. You see they are in line. To this one I'm just going to pick everything, so let me bring, so this one I'll just lock it, and I can also, then if it is there, we just lock this one too, and you can have the whole thing to yourself and just move it in like this, then you can move it to this one. Yes, like this. Oh, can move it like this. This is very good. Yes, like this. Then I'll just bring my you see them. Okay, so and then the discount like this. Yes, just down here. You see, you just like that, then okay. Then our last one, just the best thing like this. Yes, then you bring that down with our flyer. So this is it. Then you can just drag these things. So put it like this. So this one, yeah, this one is here. Just bring it up here. Like this. Then look on out and set another one to there, up here. Okay, sheets. Okay. And you can increase this size. Where is this one? You can increase it to any size that you want. Yes. Then this is okay. Then head to can so, and you can send this one up. Okay, so I think this is done. So thank you very much for today. We will see you the next time.